In this video, we are going to discuss about extended access list. So actually, what are extended access list and how are they compared to the standard access list? So normally, if you want to configure the standard access list, actually this standard access list are sufficient if you want to filter on source address, but if you want to filter anything other than the source address, then you have to go with this extended access list, which is numbered or named. It is as simple or similar to the standard access list numbered or named here. So coming here, these standard access lists are protocol aware, that means that clearly this is used to match packets based on the layer 4 protocol. So as you can see in the output, clearly these are the available protocols. So when you type in the configuration mode access list 100 permit, it will give the list of IP protocol numbers as well as the protocols available like AHP, EIGRP, ESP, GRE, IP, ICMP, OSPF, TCP and UDP here. So it will give a clear idea of what protocols are available here. So if you see here the protocol and protocol number, ICMP is given a protocol number 1 and TCP is given 6, UDP as 17, IPv6 as 41, GRE as 47, EIGRP as 88, OSPF as 89 and PIM as 103. So these are the protocols and the protocol numbers, and you should especially can be careful which layer 4 protocol to use when trying to match the packet in the extended access list. As there are number of protocols here, you should be aware of the protocol and protocol number clearly so that it can match with the packets coming in. And also if you see an example here clearly, router 1 in the configuration mode access list 100 permit the TCP protocol any equal. That means here it accepts the packets having TCP and it will match and it will equal to it. In the same way, access list 100 permit TCP any equal to www. The same way here access list 100 permit TCP any equal to FTP protocol. You see here clearly, and you will need to use UDP keyword if the protocol in your extended access list packets has the UDP matching. So it clearly tells you about the routing information protocol, tribal file transfer protocol and also about the network time protocol, to name a few. That means under this UDP you can have these protocols configured and also you can match to it, as is simple access list 100.01 permit UDP any equal to RIP. In the same way, having UDP packets with TFTP, having UDP packets with network time protocol. So this standard access list of the TCP have also to permit any of the established keywords. So there is a very important keyword here called established keyword. So having this TCP packets with this established protocol also will be helpful. So these are the importance of the extended access list protocol, and in the next videos you will be knowing about the named and number division of how this extended access list protocol will be working here.